My name is Brandon. My son's name is Neil. When my baby was born, it was like emotional roller coaster. The best and worst case experience of my life. When my baby was born, I slept. We would rotate every 2 hours. Got close to no sleep. Literally, he would eat and he would sleep. I lost track of time. It'd be daylight, it'd be night. So my baby was almost a month when we got the Baby Shusher. And when he would cry and cry, I would turn it on and I would just kind of hold it. So here's his head. And I would kind of try to fashion the Baby Shusher, like not too close to his ear, not too far away from him though. I mean, he would hear it, he'd go wide-eyed, and then his eyes would gradually go to sleep. Unless he was hungry. It was just helped my wife sleep. Baby Shusher is a miracle that helped us out. If you don't have one, you never heard of one, you need to get one. You have to have the Baby Shusher.